Khan is here in TKMaths KS1. In today's video, we will understand the concept of factorization on 2 terms and 3 terms. So this is basically the introduction of the topic factorization. It is usually taught in year 7 or 8 depending on the curriculum standard. So let's start with question number 1. For this topic, one thing is very important, that you should have very strong tables, multiples. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, similarly up to 15. Then only this topic will be good to handle. So let's see. This is term 1 and this is term 2. All these questions have only 2 terms, you can see. Next page will be 3 terms. So if I see immediately, because I know the table of 2, I know 9 times 2 is 18, right? And 9 is present here also. So in this term and in this term, 9 is the common factor. So I will write 9 bracket. Now what is left from here? 2 and x. So I will write 2x plus, when 9 is already taken outside the bracket, what is left is 1. Because the concept is, when you expand the bracket, you should get this back. So if I see 9 2s are 18x, and 9 1s are 9. So this is how we will factorize, and we will put it in the bracket. So let's see next one. Y square means y times y, and this y is only 1. So what is common between them? 1 y is common. So I can write y bracket. What is left from here is 1 y plus 1, because y multiplied by 1 is y, and we will get this question again, right? Now let's see 3. In this case, if I see, the numbers are 9 and 6 in the terms. So if I recall the table, and you have to see the highest table which is common in both, so it is 3, because 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 2 is 6. So 3 is a common factor. And similarly for y square and y, this means 2y and this means 1y. So 1y is also common. The way I'm writing, you can write it for your understanding, but on fair work it is not recommended, right? So one common factor is 3, and then it is y also. Then bracket. So from this first term, this one, 1 3 and 1 y has gone as a common factor. What is left is 3y. Then plus sign. And from here, this 3 has already gone out as a common factor, and y has already. So 2 is left here. So this is my factorization of 9y square plus 6y. I'm just erasing it to give it a neat look. Okay. Oops, sorry. Now let's see. So now I will go a little faster also. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. In this one, only x cube, which means 3 times x, and this means 2 times x. So what is common? 2 x's are common in both the terms. So you will write x square bracket. What is left from this term? 1 5 and 1x. And because the sign is minus, both x's have gone out as a common factor. So what is left is 1. Let's see here. Number 5. If you want to try out yourself, you can put the video on pause and try out, and then see my solution. Okay. So in a square, there are 2 a's and there is 1 a. So only 1 a is common. So what is left from here? 1 a is left plus 3. Right? In this case, again, 2 times 5 is 10. And this means I have 2x here and 1 2. So what is common you see? You see 2 is common and 1x is common. So I can write 2x bracket. What is left from here? X plus 5. So this is how you factorize it. So now I'm just writing solution here. You put the video on pause and solve it yourself, so we can do it faster. Like I said, always multiply by the highest number, which will be common. So right now 4 is common, right? Highest thing. Again 2 3s are 6, and there are 3x, and 2 4s are 8. Sorry, 2 4s are 8, 2x and 1y. So common I see is 2, common I see 1x, that's all. So from here 3x square is left. Oh, one more x can go out, sorry, 2x. So only 1x is left from here, plus 4y, right? From here if I see 10 4s are 40, 2x, 10 5s are 50, 1x. So 10 is common, and 1x is also common. So 4 is left from here, 5 is left from here, right? Because 4x, 1 4 and 1x is left from here. In this case 10 2s are 20, AAC, 10 3s are 30, AC. So 10 is common, A is common, and C is common. I'm writing all this in detail, but you can do it mentally also. It's not necessary to write all these steps here, the one which I'm writing here to explain to you, right? 2a plus 3, that's all, because A and C go now. So this is how you will factorize it. 11 2s are 22, so it will be 11. G is not common, H is common, so G square plus 2H. So now let's see the 3 terms. I have taken here 3 examples for the common terms. Now you will see in all the 3 terms, term 1, 2 and 3, A is common, and in numbers if I see highest one is 4, 4 10s are 40, 4 2s are 8, 4 8s are 32. Rather 8 is the common, highest common, right? So 8, no, it is 4. So I'm writing 4 common out. A is common across, B is not common in all, C is not common in all, so this is fine. What is left from here? 10, 4 10s are 40 and 1A minus 2B plus 8C, right? But again I see there is 2 common in all this, because it is 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, right? So if you realize something like this, which I have just noticed, so what you will do, you will take 2 also common out. So when 2 will also come out as a common thing, so what is left now from inside? 5A minus B plus 4C. So final answer will be, this 4 multiplied by 2 will be 4 2s are 8A, 5A minus B plus C, 4C. So it can happen with anyone. Like I just missed out that 8 is the highest number which can come in the table of, which can have multiple 48 and 32. So if you realize it later, you can take it out and you can give your final answer like this. Okay. Now last part. What is common here? If I see 4 is the highest, because 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12 and 4 1s are 4. And P is also common, 1P. So I can say 4P is common factor. So what is left from here? 2A in the first term plus 3c, because 4 3s are 12, minus 1 p is out, 4 is out, only 1 p is left. This is how you will factorize it. Oh, there's one more. So you can put the video on pause and try out yourself first, then check the answer. Okay, and in this one, which letter is common? Is there anything common? 7. 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14. Like I said, you need to have very strong tables here, only then it will be easy for you to understand. So 7 is common factor, which is out, so it is 3x minus 5y minus 2z. So this is how you will factorize 2 terms and 3 terms. So thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you understood. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. And do give comments to encourage. Thank you.